All right. Hello, everyone. This recording is going to be for people who are either taking or interested in reviewing the materials for University of Arizona's HWRS 401/501, which I'll be referring to as HAS tools. And so I just wanted to record a few short videos walking through the steps of getting all of the necessary software installed, because that has proven a bit difficult, and I wanted to do this from scratch and upload this so that everyone can review it at their leisure and kind of see step by step how this all works. So in this video, I'm just going to walk through signing up on GitHub and activating your GitHub education account. So to do so, I'll fire up a web browser. And go to github.com. Once there, I will sign up. And my internet is a bit slow right now, but this will walk you through signing up. So first, enter your email. So I will just enter my University of Arizona email. It is going to be required that you use your arizona.edu, or if you're from another institution, whatever .edu account you have. If you don't have a .edu account and you're just following along from elsewhere, some of the later steps with Gitkraken will not exactly work for you, so you'll have to find workarounds. Anyhow, I will choose that as my email, and I'll just create a password. I know what I've typed in. Okay, created my password. And in this case, my username, I will do ARBennett_UA. But here you can choose whatever you would like. Oh, we cannot do underscores. Let's do a dash there, maybe. Okay, great. And I'm going to say, no, I don't want promotional emails, but that's up to you. And let's do the puzzle. Okay, Spiral Galaxy, no problem. Got that. Okay. All right, I am human. This is all good. And I will create this account. So I'll save the password for myself. That's always a good call. I have now gotten an email, which I'm just going to look at on my phone, and that will have this verification code right here. So I'm going to type that in and let that go. Uh-oh, missing one, two. This is extraordinarily slow at the moment. Let's try this again. Great. So now you'll be sort of met with this this sort of intro stuff. For now, it doesn't particularly matter, so we can skip personalization down here. That will just, make things easier. None of this actually matters that much for the class. And so here you go. you're met with this page. A lot of this is going to be sort of filled out as you use GitHub throughout the semester or throughout your time using Git. And once you're here, this means you have your account and you can kind of go to your profile. And this will show you things like any code repositories you have. It will, if you have your profile updated, it might have a link to your website or things of that nature. So feel free to customize this as you see fit. This can be a great sort of place to host projects and things for your resume or CV. The next step, though, is going to be to make sure that we have the correct education account. So because I signed up with my arizona.edu email, I can now go to, I can search for GitHub Education Pack. And so searching for that will bring us to education.github.com, which is where we want to go and get the student developer pack. And this gives you access to a lot of things. You can have private repositories, which is good for keeping track of your research before it's published. So that way you don't get scooped. It has a lot of integrations with other software that would normally cost money, but is free for students or anyone with a .edu account. And so in this case, this will be useful down the road when we start to install Gitkraken in another video. So anyhow, I'm going to sign up for my student developer pack here, and I am just going to choose student for now because that is what you all should choose. And so this will walk us through. So this is free while you're a student. And as it says, it has things like partner offers, which is what we'll be taking advantage of. And then there will be extra training and stuff that you could take advantage of, but we won't for this class. So again, you have to meet all of these requirements, but assuming you're in the class, this will all work for you. If you have not used your arizona.edu account to sign up, add that here. You might actually have to go back and add it here on the regular GitHub settings, which can be reached through this upper right once you're logged in under settings here. But if you just did sign up with your arizona.edu account, like I've been saying, you should automatically fill that in. It will automatically pre-populate that, and it will ask how you're going to use GitHub, and you can put in whatever you'd like, classwork, research, etc. So you can fill that in how you see fit. It isn't particularly important, but I wouldn't fill it with spam. So once you do that, you can go ahead and click continue, and then it will ask for you to upload a picture of your student ID. And I'm not going to do that in this case, but you will go ahead and take a picture, and it will sort of ask you for webcam access, and then you can take a picture of your student ID right there and process your application. And then following that, you'll get a confirmation email, and you should be good to go with your GitHub education account. Okay, so that's what I'm going to wrap up for this video. I want this to be very step-by-step and easy so that each step is documented individually and you can follow along with each piece. Okay, so from here, we will go ahead and install Git and then Gitkraken, and then that will sort of round out our Git workflows software. So with that, I'm going to close this out and see you all in the next video or wherever you end up.